Why white rice can be bad for you. First, we need to start off with its history, but not too far back, so let's go to the Han Dynasty in China. There is a process called milling which removes the outer husk and bran layers of rice grains. This made it look tasty, but it took away a lot of the nutrients. Over time, rice became a symbol of status because the rich could easily afford it. Possibly, pregnant women can benefit from white rice, especially in the US, due to the extra folate found in the enriched white rice. Fast forward to today, why is delicious white rice bad for you? We discussed the first one already, which is the removal of bran and germ, making it less nutritious compared to brown rice. One powerful story is with the American prisoners and Japanese guards. American prisoners had beriberi, which is a thiamine deficiency. The prisoners convinced the guards to cook the removed parts of the rice or bran, and after consumption their beriberi supposedly went away because it contained vitamin B and thiamine. White rice has a high glycemic index, which means it can make your blood sugar levels go up quickly. As a result, you can get more hungry and eat more than you should. This could make you gain more weight, or even increase your risk for type 2 diabetes. Even though rice is thought of as a fiber, it has low dietary fiber. So filling white rice in your plate rather than other fiber-rich foods, you will be missing out on benefits such as lowering heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even cancer risk. This is why some consider white rice to be empty calories. Rice is not easy to make. It requires a lot of energy and water, which has impacts on the environment. But when it comes to your health, it can absorb arsenic from the soil or water. If you do not know what arsenic is, you should look it up. However, washing your rice well can reduce some of that arsenic. If it still concerns you, basmati rice was reported to have some of the lowest levels of arsenic. And if you live in the States, rice from Texas or Louisiana has the highest amounts of arsenic. This is due to their pesticides. Bonus: I know we talked about brown rice, but they tend to have higher arsenic than white rice. So wait, why didn't all of Asia suffer from these ill effects if they had been eating rice since the Han Dynasty? Well, one possible reason is due to the mechanized version of rice milling. For example, about 150 years ago, Filipinos were introduced to this milling process where they were not used to the taste. But over time, the community managed to somehow convince themselves of white rice being better than brown rice. Even saying brown rice was for the poor. Now, I have reduced my consumption of white rice unless it really complements the dish, and I started supplementing my plates with quinoa. I don't enjoy it as much, but if it helps me live longer to eat white rice every once in a while, I will be okay. I hope you learned something valuable about rice.